What do you call this in English? This is a nut. This is a bolt. These are screws. This is a washer. This is a screwdriver. This is a wrench. This is a monkey wrench. This is a hex key or Allen wrench. What is this called? Put your guess in the comments. Your English will be so much better by end of 2026. How? Let me show you. What's the best way to start the day?
For me, it's a simple combo. Water, no phone for the first few minutes, and something that wakes up your body a bit. Even a short walk or quick stretch.
Fluently gives you a speaking partner who is always available. And between calls, you fix your pronunciation sound by sound and grow your vocabulary through games. Start. Building. Hospital. Paper. Yes. Start improving your English with Fluently today and thank yourself by end of 2026.